Hi all, welcome to part 3 of our display and market trailer build we've got currently underway here at Styromax. Today we were successful enough to get the front and rear wall installed. I'll just quickly run through that with you. It followed the same process or assembly process as the side walls, applying your adhesive and putting the panel into position and drilling the sheet metal upturn inside and riveting off just to hold the panel up against the sheet metal upturn while the glue cures. These panels are that well cut coming off the CNC machine. They're that true that we just needed a bit of masking tape just to sort of hold the side wall to the front wall or vice versa. If it's not cut quite right via hand cutting, sometimes you have to use clamps and trying to pull things square and straight and vertical, but we had no problem with this whatsoever, which is the beauty of having panels CNC cut. There's an entry door going in the front of this. The customer will manufacture a step on the A-frame. I can just take you around the back and show you the rear wall. It followed the same process of install as the front wall. It's got an emergency exit door on the right hand corner there. There'll be some cooking equipment in there, and the customer was a bit worried if there was a fire up the front or something, or a cooking oil fire or something, and he just wanted a bit of insurance of being able to get out of the back if need be. So that's what we've done, we've got that in place. If you're wondering what the 4 cutouts are for, that's just the billet door piece, that big piece we're looking at. That'll come out and get thrown away, but I've just cut some divider panels for a pretty trick Styromax cupboard or overhead cupboard I'm going to put into this build on the top of the passenger side wall. So I'll show you that as that comes along. I can just sort of sneak in into one of these holes, just give you a bit of a look inside. So tomorrow we'll put some clearance lights on this build. We'll run the wires, and it'll then be time for the roof to be installed. So that'll be part 4, so be sure to stay tuned for that.